This is starting a fun video, and this is after the finale, and yeah. This is after the finale, and they're all trying to shoot each other, saying Nerf Orders is not over.
That was from Left 4 Dead. I got it from who was it? Valadin1. Look up his channel. His whole channel. His dad's channel is Barahos.
Okay. Also, shout out to NERF. So, like for the
Dart Wars,
for inventing all the guns and everything.
Especially the mega ones. I love these.
Shout out to Dart Wars. If you go there, it will be a fun time. It's chaotic.
Yeah, especially at the beginning.
Yes.
And make sure to subscribe to our channel.
Thank you.
Bye. Yeah, stop it.